Regarding the second site, yes, there was a discussion for the second site. That was, in case we come up with different names, and if we need to, come up with the names, those were not there. And in case we send the researchers to the France and get the names there, so second cenotaph, all the names will be displayed in the Garo Culture Center and Heritage, and we are trying to propose it to the government, saying for the remembrance of our war heroes, and plus creation of a museum in the old circuitous or else in the old public school campus. The meeting was very normal, and then everybody participated again, and everybody was quite positive in the decision making. Yesterday we had two major discussions we had. Number one was, 16 July is the celebration day for celebration and commemoration of Garo Labor Corps Day. So for that we have finalized. We will be making a temporary cenotaph which will be placed there in the same place, and will place the wreaths, flowers, prayers there, and then the program will be held in auditorium. So that's one. Number two, for the permanent structure which will come up there in the same place, we have in the first meeting requested one architect there, local architect, to come up with certain designs, which was told to the architect there in the meeting itself. And accordingly, the architect has come up with a design. Yesterday it was presented, and everybody likes the presentation. So therefore, we have finalized the permanent structure and permanent design for the cenotaph as well. And I have already asked the concerned architecture to come up with detailed estimate with 3D presentation for the next one. I'll be presenting this to Honorable CM and Chief Secretary, and once it is approved, proper tendering and construction will be started.